Are you tired of spending your weekends doing chores? Well, what if I told you that in 2025, robots could do almost all of them for you? But which ones are actually worth your money and which are just expensive toys? Today we're finding out. I've tested dozens of home robots to bring you the definitive list of the ones that will actually save you time and effort. Let's get into it. First up, the absolute game changer, the self-washing vacuum and mop combo. Forget everything you know about robot vacuums. This isn't just a puck that bumps into furniture. It starts by creating a hyper-detailed 3D map of your home, identifying everything from table legs to a stray sock you left on the floor. Watch this. It navigates around these cables flawlessly. And the best part? The floors. Look at this before shot. Coffee spill, some muddy footprints, just a daily mess. Now, watch it work. It scrubs, not just wipes. And when it's done, it heads back to its base station. But this isn't just a charging dock. It empties its own dustbin, refills its water tank, and get this, it actually washes and dries its own mopping pads. So it's always ready for the next clean without you lifting a finger. The aftershot speaks for itself. Sparkling clean. Now, let's take the automation outside with the robot lawn mower. If you hate mowing under the hot sun, this is for you. It's like a Roomba for your grass. Setting it up involves laying a boundary wire, but after that, it's completely autonomous. It doesn't just mow in straight lines. It uses a smart pattern to ensure every inch is covered without missing spots. See this time lapse? Over a few hours, the entire lawn is perfectly manicured. And it's super quiet, so you can run it anytime without annoying the neighbors. Worried about safety? It has sensors that stop the blades instantly if it's lifted or bumps into something like a pet or a misplaced toy. Plus, it even has a rain sensor. The moment it starts drizzling, it automatically heads back to its weatherproof charging station to wait for better weather. No more excuses for an overgrown lawn. Next, for all the pool owners out there, say goodbye to manual skimming and vacuuming. The cordless robotic pool cleaner is your new best friend. This thing is a beast. You just charge it up, drop it in the water, and let it go. It's completely untethered, so there are no annoying hoses or cables to get tangled. Using its internal navigation system, it systematically climbs the walls, scrubs the water line, and vacuums the floor, capturing everything from fine sand to large leaves. Check out this underwater footage. It's methodical, covering every square inch. When it's done, it cleverly parks itself near the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. Cleaning the filter is a breeze. You just pop open the top, pull out the basket, and rinse it with a hose. With a battery that lasts for a full cleaning cycle, your pool will stay crystal clear all summer long while you just relax. But what about our furry family members? Chores aren't just about cleaning. They're also about care. Enter the all-in-one pet care robot. This device is a lifesaver for busy pet parents. Through an app on your phone, you can schedule automatic feedings, ensuring your pet gets the perfect portion right on time, every time. But it's more than just a food dispenser. Feeling guilty leaving your pet alone all day? It has a built-in laser pointer and a treat tosser that you can control remotely to play with them from anywhere. Just look at this cat going crazy for the laser. The best part is the two-way HD camera. You can check in on your pet, talk to them through the speaker, and see what they're up to. It gives you incredible peace of mind knowing they're happy and fed, even when you're stuck at the office. Okay, let's tackle one of the most dreaded chores, cleaning high, hard-to-reach windows. The robotic window cleaner is here to save the day and your back. This little guy uses powerful suction to stick to the glass, whether it's inside or outside. You just spray on some cleaning solution, place it on the window, and hit start. It intelligently maps out the surface and cleans in a zigzag pattern, leaving a streak-free shine. For outside windows, especially on upper floors, the safety tether is crucial. It attaches to a secure anchor point, so even if it loses power or suction, it's not going anywhere. Look at this before and after on this grimy patio door. The difference is incredible. And it's not just for windows. You can use it on shower doors, tiled walls, and some models can even handle the low-pitch solar panels on your roof, helping them stay efficient. If you're finding this useful and want to see more real-world tests of the latest home robots, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Sharing this video with a friend who hates chores would also be amazing. Your support lets me keep making these in-depth reviews. Thanks a bunch. Now, back to the bots. Let's talk about home security. Traditional cameras are great, but they're stationary. This is the Home Security Patrol Bot. Think of it as a mobile security guard for your house. You can set a patrol route through the app, and it will autonomously roam your home, checking specific areas at scheduled times. It's equipped with night vision, motion detectors, and a 360-degree camera. Here's a clip from its patrol last night. See how clearly it navigates in the dark? If it detects unusual movement or sound, it sends an instant alert to your phone with a live video feed. You can then take manual control to investigate, speak through its two-way audio to scare off an intruder, or even trigger a loud siren. It's the next level of proactive home security, giving you eyes and ears everywhere, all the time. Now for the one you've been waiting for, the humanoid helper robot. We're not in a sci-fi movie just yet, but these first-generation bots are surprisingly useful for simple tasks. This one can recognize and respond to basic voice commands. Hey bot, can you bring me the remote? It uses its cameras and greepers to locate, pick up, and deliver small objects. It's also great for basic tidying, like picking up toys off the floor and putting them in a basket. You can see it's still a bit slow and deliberate, and its abilities are limited. It can't cook dinner or do your laundry. But for fetching a drink, helping you carry in a few groceries, or just being an extra pair of hands for small tasks, it's a fascinating glimpse into the future of home assistance. It's about augmenting your abilities, not fully replacing you. So, what does all this automation cost? Let's break it down. A good robot vacuum mop combo will run you between $1,000 and $1,500. A robot lawnmower can range from $700 to over $2,000, depending on lawn size. Pool bots are usually in the $500 to $1,200 range. The others, like window, pet, and security bots, fall between $300 and $700. The big question is value. The real savings aren't just in money, but in time. How much is an extra 5 to 10 hours of free time each week worth to you? But watch out for hidden costs. Some bots require proprietary cleaning solutions or filter replacements, and a few are even moving to subscription models for premium features. So always read the fine print before you buy. Regular maintenance like cleaning brushes and sensors is also key to making them last. But don't just take my word for it. Here's a clip from Sarah, a subscriber who bought a robot vacuum after watching one of our reviews. Honestly, I was skeptical. Another gadget to manage. But Kevin, that's what we named him, has been a lifesaver. With 2 kids and a dog, I used to vacuum every single day. Now, the floors are always clean. I've probably gotten back 4 hours a week. The only unexpected issue was my dog thinking it was a toy at first. He tried to herd it around the house for the first few days, which was hilarious, but also messed with its cleaning cycle. We figured it out though. I'd never go back. It's amazing to see the real-world impact. So now it's your turn. We've seen vacuums, mowers, pool cleaners, and even a humanoid helper. But what robot should I put to the test next? A laundry folding robot? A smart weeding robot for the garden? A robot that cleans the grill? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. I'll find the most requested one, buy it, and do a full no-holds-barred review and teardown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.